Major characteristics of innovation leadership. Innovation leadership refers to the ability of a leader to inspire, guide, and support individuals or teams in generating new ideas, improving processes, and creating meaningful change within an organization. In today's fast-changing and highly competitive environment, innovation leadership has become essential for organizations that want to remain relevant, resilient, and future-oriented. One major characteristic of innovation leadership is vision. Innovative leaders are able to see beyond current problems and imagine future possibilities. They do not merely focus on maintaining the status quo, but instead communicate a clear direction for growth, transformation, and improvement. This vision helps motivate others to think creatively and align their efforts toward long-term goals. Another important characteristic is openness to new ideas. Innovation leaders encourage curiosity, experimentation, and diverse thinking. They are willing to listen to different perspectives and are not afraid to challenge conventional ways of doing things. Rather than rejecting unusual suggestions, they create an environment where fresh ideas are welcomed and explored. A third characteristic is risk-taking with judgment. Innovation often involves uncertainty, and leaders must be willing to take calculated risks. Innovation leaders understand that not every idea will succeed, but they recognize that progress often requires experimentation. At the same time, they balance creativity with strategic judgment, ensuring that risks are managed responsibly. Adaptability is also a key characteristic of innovation leadership. In dynamic environments, leaders must be flexible and responsive to change. Innovation leaders adjust strategies when necessary, learn from feedback, and remain open to continuous improvement. They do not cling rigidly to old methods when new solutions are needed. Another major characteristic is empowerment of others. Innovation is rarely the result of one individual working alone. Effective innovation leaders build collaborative cultures where team members feel trusted, valued, and empowered to contribute. They delegate authority, encourage initiative, and create psychological safety. Innovation leaders also demonstrate strong problem-solving ability. They look at challenges not as obstacles, but as opportunities for improvement and transformation. They are skilled at analyzing problems, identifying patterns, and connecting ideas across disciplines to develop creative and practical solutions. In addition, learning orientation is central to innovation leadership. Innovative leaders are lifelong learners who actively seek knowledge and reflect on experience. They promote a culture where learning, reflection, and continuous development are part of organizational life. They learn from both success and failure. Finally, innovation leadership requires effective communication and influence. Leaders must be able to explain innovative ideas clearly and gain support. They need strong interpersonal skills to build commitment, manage resistance, and sustain momentum for change. They inspire others to move beyond routine thinking. In conclusion, the major characteristics of innovation leadership include vision, openness, risk-taking, adaptability, empowerment, problem-solving, learning orientation, and effective communication. Together, these characteristics enable leaders to foster creativity and drive change. How can you apply these traits to build a successful, innovative organization?